In this video, you will learn how to change the duration of multiple images on your CapCut PC timeline all at once. This is a massive time saver when you are building a slideshow or adding background photos to a project. If you just select your images and drag them down into the timeline, CapCut applies a standard default duration of 5 seconds to each file. You can technically hover your mouse over the edge of an image on the timeline, left-click, and drag it to change the length manually. The problem with this approach is that doing it one by one is incredibly tedious, and it is very hard to get precise, identical timing for every single photo. Instead of wasting time adjusting elements individually, there is a much cleaner workaround hidden in your system preferences. First, clear your timeline by deleting any images you have already dropped in there. Next, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on Menu, then open up your settings. Inside the Settings panel, look for the Edit tab, which is usually the third option down. Inside this menu, you will see a specific field labeled Image Duration. Go ahead and type in your exact desired timing, like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and click Save. Now, when you drag your photos back into the timeline, every single image will automatically match that exact length. The trade-off here is that this preference only applies to new imports, so you must change the setting before placing your media on the track. That completely eliminates the guesswork and keeps your editing workflow smooth. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.